You ready to build a professional website looking something like this? This is the exact website that we'll be building together step by step on screen inside this WordPress and SEO masterclass. Did you know that 75% of website visitors admit that they judge a business's credibility based on their website design? Now imagine what that says about your business if you don't even have a website. Slow website loading speeds kills businesses. Most website visitors expect a web page to load in 2 seconds or less. 79% of shoppers reported that they would not return to purchase from a slow loading website. Guys, that's 79% potentially long-term customers that you're losing because of a badly optimized website. More than 50% of a website's traffic comes from mobiles. If your website is not mobile optimized, you could potentially lose 50% of your customers. And bad site navigation hurts conversions. Confused, frustrated visitors aren't interested in buying your products or services. And is your website secure and backed up? The average small business owner experiences 44 cyber attacks a day. One single successful attack is enough to wreck your entire business. But don't worry, we've got all of these problems covered in the course and so much more.
You learn step by step on screen with us how to create optimized WordPress websites for you and or your clients. Design WordPress websites that converts for you and or your clients. Create a professional WooCommerce online store to sell your products and or services, physical and digital. Create SEO, search engine optimized content for you and or your clients.
And remember, you're protected by a 100% money back guarantee, which means that there's absolutely no risk in start learning right away. We'll continue updating and expanding our courses to make sure that you're up to date with the latest updates and material.
We've also included premium coaching in this course, so that means that we will be answering any of your questions in the Q&A section within 24 hours. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and we'll see you inside of this course.